just like every other garage that gets shipments, so does Wheeler's Garage. And I got two today. One from Amazon. Check out this shirt. Yeehaw. I'm a big fan of cutting the sleeves off, so that'll be next on that shirt. And I also got a shipment from hobbylink. And I don't know if you've ever used hobbylink. I don't believe they have brick and mortar stores. They might, but it's a warehouse. And this is one of their boxes. They box their stuff good. Okay, let's see what I got here. Aha. Smokey and the Bandit. Trans Am. 77 Firebird. Level 4 by Revell. And I got the 57 Chevy Nomad by Atlantis. I've been hearing and seeing things about this kit. One, about how hard it is, which is exactly why I bought it, because I do love a challenge. And I also got some pre-wired distributor caps with the 9 wires on them. I got yellow, orange, blue, and the black one fell out. It's on the floor. If you haven't tried out HobbyLink, I'm not getting paid by them. I'm just suggesting that give them a look. Hobbylink.com. Their catalog could take a whole day probably just to look through. And you might be surprised at their prices. Shipping takes a little bit, but that's all right. You know, well, today was Christmas for me. I always like getting these kits. With that, have a good day, and see you later from Wheeler's Garage.